posting on YouTube now for 1 week, and I want to show you what's been going on. I have been testing and trying and basically throwing spaghetti at the wall to see what would hit and happen. And at first, nothing happened, but now I'm going to show you what did happen, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to keep going on and focus on for the rest of the month, because I am going to keep doing this because it has been interesting and pretty good. So stick with me and we'll get through it. So I'm using vidIQ. All right, so you can see everything kind of just like went boom on the 6th of August. So that was after going for a week. Like, look at that. Look, I'm like, I mean, that was a nice little thing. But then like, what happened on the 6th of August? So what happened on the 6th of August? I posted this video here. This was a short, which was just a repurpose of a longer video, which doesn't even rank actually on my most watched videos right now. So that's a way to repurpose your content, and I really enjoy that as well. This one's actually doing pretty well too, and I think it might be the thumbnail. It's a very, very short video where we just basically, it's one of the prompts. So the format that I have been doing this month as I've been going along is to post a writing prompt or a marketing prompt every single day. And sometimes I go deep into how to do these things, and sometimes I post the prompt, and that's all. Basically what I'm doing is, as I said, I'm throwing spaghetti at the wall to see what happens. This month is all about that. And I have realized that this is good. Daily posting has been good, and it's a big commitment, but it's doable, and I'm going to keep doing it because I actually want followers on my YouTube channel. And as I've said in other videos, I don't, monetization, blah, 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 blah. I want friggin' validation. I want people to click the little happy thumbs up and tell me I'm worthwhile and make me happy because I have issues. But I'm seeing a counselor, so, don't tell me I need to love myself. You love me, and then I'll feel good, and that'll be great. So hit that like thing and help my mental health. Yeah, how's that for a plug? All right, feel guilty yet? Cool. So we're going to go through this. So here it is. These are my top 10 videos right now live as I'm doing this. Speaking of throwing spaghetti at the wall, I am going to go live for the very first time on Wednesday. So click that subscribe button so you don't miss that video. And if you're from the future, I'll pop it here. I'll talk to you a little bit about why I decided to post every day. So in July, at the beginning of July, I had a friend who decided she wanted to get on social media. She's a writer. She's not sure if she wants to self-publish or if she wants to go the traditional publishing method, but basically she knows that she needs to have a social media following. In this day and age, publishers need a social media following. They're looking for that at some kind of level because they want you to do a lot of your own promotion. And obviously, if you're going to self-publish, you need to do all your own promotion, and social media is the best way to do that. So I said to her, I would make her a list of things that she could post daily. Her chosen social media was Twitter. And so on Twitter and Instagram, I posted a daily prompt every day, and she supports me in Patreon. So for her and anyone else in Patreon, I put that list ahead of time so she could grab it. So July's list went up, and August's list is up now. So grab that if you want it. I'll link it below. And I'm going to continue to do that for my Patreon users so that they can schedule, because if I didn't schedule these posts, I couldn't do it. But if you are short on funds, all you need to do is follow me, and then you can just respond to my prompts every day. So they will be there for free. But if you want to use the scheduling tools available for free in Facebook, Twitter, it's a little of that. And actually my favorite is YouTube. So, July, I saw a real increase in my Twitter and Instagram followings and interactions, which I'm much more interested in than reach. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to do it on YouTube as well. So that's why I decided to do it in August. And it has totally paid off, more so than the other two. Totally. It's been totally worth it. And I was going to keep going because I have a friend and she supports me in Patreon, and I think it is really nice of a friend to not want my help and services for free. So I really appreciate that, because I do think that what I have has value, and I love that she recognizes that. So I will continue to do that for her and anyone else that supports me on Patreon so that they can schedule like I do.